channel. I'm Nikki Simone. Thank y'all for joining me today. Hold on, let's go ahead and pour up before we get into it. Today we having some Cabernet. Cheers. Get comfortable, y'all. So listen, life is good right now, and just take on 2021, because you know what? Life is gonna get better for us. I've always wanted to be a flight attendant, and I just remember when I was a little girl and I took my first flight to Miami to visit some family, and I saw the flight attendants on Delta Airlines, and I was like, oh my gosh, they're so cute and nice. And I'm like, I like that. I want to be just like you when I grow up. 10 years later, your girl got the job. Hey. So today's video is going to be about one of the most important things that you're going to need. It's going to be my first time unboxing my luggage that I received. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, so let's get into it. These are my new Travel Pro Flight Crew 5 luggage. Travel Pro is supposed to be like the top of the top. So we about to find out what's so good about this luggage right here. And this right here is just some old suitcase that I used to carry around with me on my travels. I just want to kind of compare them and see what the difference is and why is this so good. So let's get into it. So let's go ahead and start with the main one. I'm excited to open this. I'm so excited. Comment the little luggage emoji down below if you as excited as I am. One thing that I noticed already is it's not that heavy. Put that over here. Okay. So let's go ahead and tear this off. Ooh. There it is. Put that in the box. Aluminum extension handle slides into strong anti-crush inner tube, avoiding damage that can prevent handle from raising or lowering properly. Okay. Pilot design, flight crew tested. It's got a little compartment right here with another extra compartment right here. And then it's got another compartment right here. Off rip. I love all the compartments it has. Definitely going to be much needed for a flight attendant. I can see that already. Because like you're gonna be living your life, you know, on the road or in the air rather. So you're gonna have to have space for everything that you would need when you know, do your daily life. Here we've got another section, which is one straight through compartment. This is the main compartment for the suitcase. Let's just open that up. compartment right here. And then there's another compartment right here, right behind it. Okay. We've got, so there's side compartments right here that kind of stretch out on each side. And, okay, cool. So this right here, okay. The aluminum J hook. It goes just like this, so you can add your other bag. This is definitely very convenient. On the go. There's another compartment on the top here. Okay. And you've got your extra straps here on the top and the bottom. This zipper right here gives you extra space in the main compartment, so you unzip that and it comes out a little further so you can pack more. So I'm really digging this suitcase already. Even got compartments in the back. Okay. The bottom of the suitcase just has 2 wheels. I believe this suitcase, if I'm not mistaken, Travel Pro gives you a warranty on it. So if there's any damages to the suitcase, like with the wheels or anything, you can have that serviced and keep it moving. This suitcase is dope. Like, I really like it. It looks cute. It's, you know, really sleek. In comparison to the regular, normal civilian suitcase, as you can see from the jump, mine got 4 wheels. This one only has 2. You only can have, with my airlines, you can only have 2 wheels. So clearly, you got 1 pouch here. You still got the additional room for packing and everything like that. But once you open it up, as you can see, the main difference with these is the compartments. So you do have one main compartment here, and then you've got just a side compartment here, and then you've got your straps to keep everything in place. But that's about it. There's no additional compartments, no secret compartments in this one, honey. So yeah, this is just a very basic suitcase, and you can kind of see the difference between the two. And the mystery box, before we do, we're gonna take another sip, honey. So we're gonna go ahead and get into what's in this box. What's in this box, hey? Alright. So this is the large crew cooler. It's a cooler for food. As a flight attendant, honey, you don't want to go hungry while you're trying to make sure your passengers are safe and happy. So this cooler right here is going to help you do just that. Make sure you're able to have your snacks and foods when you need them. So let's go ahead and see what this is all about. Black is one of my favorite colors, if you can tell. Let's go ahead and start with this little itty bitty compartment right here. This right here is actually a bottle or drink holder. So you can put your bottle of water, juice, or anything in this compartment right here, and it'll stay right there. And the front compartment right here for, you could store like your utensils and whatnot in here. top compartment. There's another compartment in here. And then the main compartment is here. Who's gonna be hungry? So yeah, I'm loving this so far. This right here looks like you can remove this section for cleaning. Yep, just like I thought. It comes right off just like that. And you can clean it out. Make sure your cooler stays nice and clean and fresh. And then it just zips right back up. You've got another compartment here for additional food items. Yeah, oh yeah. It looks like this right here